Jigsaw strategy is a collaborative reading strategy where students are organized into groups and read a passage from a selection. They become experts on the topic and then go back to their original groups and share what they've learned from the part of the text.
The purpose of this strategy is to break down large reading selections in order to improve comprehension by assigning portions to students for them to read and share with others. This strategy also promotes cooperative learning, helps improve listening and problem-solving skills, and communication. Before using the Jigsaw strategy, you should first introduce it to your students. Each group should have about 3 to 5 students. You will then choose an appropriate reading passage and have the expert groups get to work on learning about their topic. In a few minutes, you will see what this whole process looks like.
When using this strategy, the type of passage the students will read and the way they will be grouped should be considered. This is an effective method because teachers can easily differentiate the groups. The readings can be fiction or nonfiction and can be about any subject.
In a reading on giraffes, the students would be divided into expert groups. Each puzzle piece represents one student. These students will be given a certain topic pertaining to giraffes to read and research about. They will become the experts on those topics, who will then take it back to their Jigsaw group.
Then the teacher has students get into their Jigsaw groups, which is one member from each expert group. One at a time, each expert then teaches their group about the topic they read about and researched. The group members can ask questions for clarity about the information presented.
The students will then get back into their original expert groups to reinforce what they have learned in their group by doing a short activity. There are various activities that can be done following the Jigsaw method. An example of one activity will now be demonstrated.
Once students have completed their Jigsaw groups, they will then go back into their expert groups. They will create a T-chart like this using text and thoughts and will write down 1, 2, and 3 common similarities discussed within their groups. They will then write these ideas down and explain what their thoughts were and why they felt that way. According to the article Jigsaw Cooperative Learning in English Reading by Ming 2010, Jigsaw is a cooperative learning strategy that has been proven to be effective for all types of students, including academically gifted, mainstream students, and English language learners, because it promotes learning and fosters respect and friendships.
Many teachers find this strategy to be very beneficial for students when they are reading more complex material. When students are asked to read longer passages, it can become stressful for them when they are asked to comprehend what they read. Therefore, the Jigsaw strategy provides them the opportunity to master and showcase their knowledge of a smaller portion of the passage, which allows them to be more successful. Ultimately, the Jigsaw strategy should be used within the classroom.